Hi guys, so I'm going to be showing you the KISS-208 cream coloured pleases. These are the 6-inch heels with the clear straps. It's a full view for you guys. These are a super nice neutral beigey colour. Hi guys, it's Bambi here and I'm at Shoes of Hollywood. Today I'm going to be reviewing the KISS-208 pleaser heels. First thing, you've got this little dust bag to put your shoes in. It's got a drawstring, super easy, super convenient. And let's have a look at these. Now, as you can see, you've got the tissue paper again to ensure the shoe keeps its shape. Now I've got these beautiful cream coloured 6 inches with the clear straps. We've also got a double stitching on the straps here to ensure for extra strength, extra durability, so they won't go snapping on you. And they've also got a super grippy bottom so you won't go sliding anywhere. Also, not to mention the beautiful velvet soles. They're super squishy. And yeah, I just also a quick tip for the straps, these ones here, a lot of the times they can be just a tad too small or something, so a good tip to know is to get the hairdryer in on this part of the shoe, so then you can mold it to your foot. So now I'm going to try these on. Super easy to put on. You've got the chrome clasp there. Let's put on the other one. Super easy to put on, be easy if you didn't have long nails. Alright, so I'm going to take these for a walk. This is me walking with them on the carpet. They're super easy to walk in and comfortable. You guys have got a view of the shoes. And here's for now a bit of a side view. Super cute, super chic. They're really basic and neutral, so these go with like anything. I think they'll look cute with some blue jeans maybe. So now we shall take them for a walk outside to see how they look in the sunlight. going to go back inside because we're in Queensland and it's super hot and humid and we love air conditioning. So now I'm going to take these babies off. But yeah, thanks guys for tuning in and having a look at the review of these. Again, they are the KISS-208 fleeces. Please make sure you guys let me know what you think of the shoes. We'd love to hear. Give a subscribe and a like while you're at it. And yeah, bye guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.